My teacher philosophy has always been to kind of use project based learning so students can learn as I facilitate. In the past, when I've taught math, what I've done was I've used my PowerPoints or just either learn Zillion, trying to get a lesson across so they can kind of get it. Then we'll discuss it, and then from there, I would give them 3 or 4 key points that I want them to really understand or really get. We'll practice it, and then use technology as practice. So I think technology has a big place in the classroom, for me especially because I use it. And in our county, Union County, we have the computers. Every child is given a computer from middle school to high school. So a lot of the kids, they get a chance to use a lot of technologies in class, such as the Learn Zillions, or I could give a full lesson online, and I could kind of learn at their own pace as well. So it kind of gives me a gauge of where they're at. Also in math class, I did use Khan Academy, more for just advanced practice, more for extra practice, and to kind of gauge where they were at as a student, so I could see, this student really gets it. I can kind of track their monitor their progress. So that was my use of technology in the classroom. As far as project-based learning goes, it was after they learned all the lessons they needed to learn throughout the week, or even if it was during the day. I had a project set up where they had to actually figure it out with a group member by themselves or as a total class together. And that could consist of using the internet to get resources or pricing from a supermarket, and things of that nature. I know in taking this class, I wanted to learn new avenues to use technology, new avenues to kind of that I haven't thought of, and new ways that other teachers across the state or across the country are using that I haven't thought of to use in my classroom. Because I think that'll definitely help me become a more efficient and effective teacher, and I think that'll help the students, actually the new age students, actually get a chance to show their knowledge of the internet and computer and technology, as well as learn from it as well. So I think media has a big role in the classroom, especially I know in my classroom, my philosophy in having the students really engage in learning through project-based management, research on the computer, interacting with me on the computer, whether that's through the chat rooms I may set up in the classroom, the extra help chat rooms I may set up outside of school, as far as like I may have like a 6 to 7 o'clock homework session on the computer where they can ask questions while when I log on, they will ask me questions and stuff like that. And I can kind of help them. Let's say they had a question with number 6 on the homework assignment, and I can help them navigate through number 6. So usually it's right next to me, or I know the answer already. So I think technology is really, I use technology a lot in my classroom. I just want to learn new avenues on how to do it and some of the things I can use better in my classroom and in my career as a teacher.